Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word treatise. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was asked to write a treatise on the history of ancient civilizations for her history class. A treatise is a formal and systematic written work that explores and explains a specific subject or topic in detail, often presenting an argument or viewpoint. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.